Hi, my dear students. How you all are? Hope you all are fine and safe. Okay, I'm your English teacher, Sharanam K. Ma'am, back once again. Welcome you all to 8th English online class for class 7 and 8. As you already studied in your previous class regarding parts of sentences, right? Now today let us move to the next topic about kinds of nouns. Well, you can have a look at this page as provided to you. Consists of kinds of nouns. Nouns are divided into 8 kinds. The very first is common noun, second one proper noun, third one collective noun, fourth is concrete noun, then fifth is abstract noun, sixth is countable noun, seventh is uncountable noun, then at last the eighth kind is material noun. Well, you knew about now 8 kinds of nouns. How many? 8. Yes. Now let us study them one by one, okay, in brief. The first kind is about a common noun. A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind, right? It is a noun that name persons, places or objects of the same kind, right? And it is a common name, as I already said, okay, given to a person, place, animal or thing of the same kind or a class, right? For example, boy, woman, children, okay, teacher, doctor, girl, officer, poet, dramatist, merchant, traveler, city, village, town, religion, district, place. Yes, these all are the examples of common noun. Now when I look at the feature of common nouns are not capitalized. Right, children? Okay. Well, now let us move on to the second kind, that is a proper noun. Now proper noun is completely different to that common noun. In what way? Let us see. Right? A proper noun is the name of some particular or specific person or place. Right? These are the nouns that name particular person or place or objects. Such kinds of nouns are called proper nouns. Well, proper nouns are words which name specific people, things, place or even organizations. Sometimes we give names to pets also, like Kitty, Tommy and so on. Got, children? Yes. Now let us know some more examples. For example, Tagore, Keats, Mother Teresa, Shelley, R.K. Narayan, Rajiv Gandhi, Bill Clinton, India, Japan, America, Delhi. Observe these examples. These are the names of a particular person and some of them are particular names of places. Have you understood, children? Well, now when I speak about feature of common noun, is common nouns begin with capital letters. Remember, proper noun begin with capital letters. Well, now these are the two kinds you learnt about. Now let us move on to the third kind, which is that, yes, that is a collective noun. Do we say all the nouns as collective nouns? No. Now, what are collective nouns? Let us see. A collective noun is the name of collection of things or persons. Or these are the nouns that name a group or a class of similar things or persons taken together and spoken of as one whole. These are called collective nouns. Got, children? Let me repeat once again. A collective noun is the name of collection of things or a person, or these are the nouns that name a group or class of similar things or persons taken together and spoken of as one whole, and these are called collective nouns. For example, crowd. Okay, crowd, when I say, it is understood that there are number of people gathered together. Am I right? Well, the next example is mob, team, block, herd, army, fleet, jury, family, nation, parliament, committee, okay, pottery, cattle, gantry. Then the next is class. These are all the various examples of a collective noun. Okay. Now, when I speak about features of collective noun, it is so. Let me say, first is collective nouns are treated as single units, right? Then second feature is they can be used as common nouns. Then third, they are naming words used for many animals, things, persons and places taken together as units. For example, when I say, okay, flock of sheep, a suit of rooms. Got, children? But some more examples of collective nouns are like a fleet of ships, a bunch of keys, a pack of dogs, and an army of soldiers. Now got it, children? Yes. Hope you all understood what are collective nouns. Well, now let us proceed with the fourth kind, that is concrete noun. Which nouns are known as concrete nouns? A concrete noun is the name of a thing that can be touched or seen. Okay? For example, room, sun, girl, boy. Okay? Once again, I'll repeat for you. A concrete noun is the name of a thing that can be touched or seen. Is it clear, children? Well, now today you have studied about 4 kinds. Let us proceed the next 4 in the next session. Okay? Hope you all understood these. Well, see you again. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.